How do you set up Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager? Imagine being able to see exactly how visitors interact with your website without constantly changing code. That's what linking Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager can do for you. Let's walk through the steps to make this happen smoothly. First, you need to create or access your Google Analytics for property. Log into Google Analytics and go to the admin section. If you don't have a Google Analytics for property yet, click to create one. Once you have it, go to Data Streams and select your website's data stream. Here, you will find a measurement ID that starts with the letter G followed by a dash and a series of numbers. Copy this ID because you will need it later. Next, set up Google Tag Manager on your website. If you haven't already, create a Google Tag Manager account and a container for your site. Google Tag Manager will give you two pieces of code. One goes in the head section of every page, and the other goes immediately after the opening body tag. Placing these snippets correctly allows you to manage all your tags from one place without editing your website code repeatedly. Now in Google Tag Manager, create a new tag. Choose Google Analytics for Configuration as the tag type. Paste your measurement ID into the tag configuration box. Then, set the trigger to all pages, so this tag fires on every page load. This step makes sure your website's basic data gets sent to Google Analytics. To track specific actions like clicks or from submissions, you can add event tags. Create a new tag and select Google Analytics for Event as the type. Name your event clearly, such as button click or form submission. Set triggers based on what you want to track, like clicking a particular button or submitting a form. Once your tags and triggers are ready, click to submit and publish your container. This makes all your tags live on your website, starting the data flow to Google Analytics. To verify everything works, use Google Tag Manager's preview mode. Visit your website and see if the tags fire correctly. Then, check the real-time reports in Google Analytics to confirm data is arriving. Using Google Tag Manager to deploy Google Analytics gives you flexibility. You can quickly add new tracking events or adjust existing ones without needing a developer each time. This setup helps you measure how users engage with your site, which pages perform best, and how your marketing efforts are paying off. It's a simple, effective way to keep your finger on the pulse of your website's performance and growth.